when we understand what happens, we can then obviously make it happen better or make it happen more often. And today, I want to help you understand what happens when you have a breakthrough, because we all want more and more breakthroughs, don't we? So have you ever wondered what's really shaping how you feel and how you behave? Have you thought about it? You know, life feels like an iceberg. There's a small part that we're aware of above the surface, but you know, the really fascinating, impactful stuff lies way below the surface. It's hidden. It's in our subconscious, and very often it's dangerous. And in our busy modern lives, we're constantly bombarded with demands for our attention, screens, work meetings, endless emails. You know, it's no surprise that by the end of the day, we feel drained. But here's the good news. Spending even a few moments, not a lot, just a few moments in nature, it restores our energy and it restores our focus. Because when you're, for example, near running water, sort of hear the rustling of the trees, or, you know, even maybe just listen to the bird song, your attention shifts. And instead of being laser focused, your mind enters a more relaxed state. And this gentle attention is incredibly restorative. It's like a mental reboot. And if you don't have, you know, easy access or access to nature, no problem. Just, you know, a small plant, the sound of a fountain, you know, or even just 5 minutes gazing outside of your window at the sky. You know, that's going to provide a similar calming effect. These little doses offer so much needed balance in your world, in a world that demands mostly constant focus. And colors are also more than just decoration. They subtly shape how we feel and how we respond. For example, blues and greens, they tend to calm us, likely because they remind us of serene environments like the sky or the forest. You know, on the other hand, reds and yellows are very energizing, and they can signify, you know, to our subconscious passion, action, and even dominance. Did you know that red can influence outcomes in surprising ways? Because research has showed that in sports, many competitors wearing red often have an edge. You know, it's linked to dominance and to strength. And the same applies to everyday situations like job interviews or online dating. Wearing red can make you seem more confident and even sometimes more attractive. But remember, context matters, because red grabs attention, but in some situations, you know, that attention might feel too intense. If you're looking for calm and for connection, stick to blues and greens. So here are some tips that I want to give you to renew yourself. Spend 5 minutes daily reconnecting with nature. You know, it doesn't matter if it's a walk in the park or just looking at a plant, even on your desk. Experiment with your colors, the colors in your environment or your wardrobe. You know, see how it matches your goals. Red for confidence, blue for calm. See what happens. See how you feel. Recognize that much of what shapes you lies right beneath the surface. So embrace curiosity. Be curious. You know, go out there and explore your hidden potential. Because when you tune into these very subtle, but yet they're really powerful influences, you automatically start unlocking your breakthroughs in your personal and in your professional life. Success and growth come from small intentional shifts, and every step forward counts. I would really like you to comment below or in the comments what colors work best for you. It's interesting. I'm very interested to find out. Bye.